आसंता 9 तारिख रु 12 बाटे आरंभ हब T20 मैच जहाँ को लेकिन प्रस्तुति आरंभ हो जाइए भुवनेश्वर रे साउथ अफ्रिकार किछि खेलाड़ी पहुंची सारी आउ दिनक परे भारतीय खेलाड़ी आसिक पहुंची जिवे से होटेल मे फेयर रे स्वतंत्र व्यवस्था करा जाइछि मुख्यतः खेलाड़ी जो खाद्य व्यवस्था रही है ता उपरे विशेष गुरुत्व दिया जाइछि। आम सहित अछंती मेफेयर रो सेफ तांको सहित आलोचना करबा कौन रही प्रस्तुति। सर क्या कहेंगे, जैसे कि ये तो पहली बार नहीं है, फिर भी जो प्लेयर आ रहे हैं किस तरह का प्रिपरेशन है, मेनली उनके मेनू के ऊपर क्या?
So we are a 5-star deluxe hotel, so we have all the world cuisine, starting from what we are good at, local, different Indian cuisine, international, and the Asian, whatever popular. So that is always will be there. But what happened? They have given us a guidelines of menu. What is a player generally look for, and we are used to that. So in that guidelines, for a smaller meal, for a high tea, for a lunch, dinner, whatever they want, and different both the countries players a different requirement is there. So that is there, but as well as we are going to offer them what we are good at, and the local food varieties in the part of buffet. We will also individually both the teams they have their coordinator, so we will be meeting them and take the special request and all. We will also suggest our dishes which is equally go whatever they are looking for. So that is there, but mostly it will be a healthy millet and those kind of food and is there. So
सर जैसे कि ओडिया फूड, ओडिया क्विजिन कुछ आप इंट्रोड्यूस करेंगे, मतलब प्लेयर को खाने के लिए ऑफर होगा?
what I have seen, if you see till I am there, I have also learned after coming here Odia food, and I feel it is very interesting, and there is nothing you don't like Odia food, and also we have
any specific food?
I think so. All the Odia dishes are good in terms of the preference is there, people, but especially the seafood and fish, those kind of varieties and local ingredients. Your chattu is there, so that though everybody likes high protein dish and all. So when we did this last ODC Pravashi Bharat for 50,000 people, we have seen everybody, not a single complaint about Odia food, and everybody liked why it was not showcased to the everyone. So that is what. So we see that whatever we have this pithas and the local chakulis and those kind of things, we are going to offer them when they will be here, and as well as the millet, which is government initiative. So they also have that preference. So we are going to offer them everything.
जैसे कि देखा जाता है कुछ प्लेयर का उनका खुद का कुक आते हैं यहाँ पर, ऐसे कोई अभी तक आए हैं यहाँ?
No, we have 2-3 of them already in house and all, and before coming they have shared us the ingredients list but we do not know actually what their plan and all. Once they will be here, we will be meeting them, and then we will also be part of their pre-preparation and the actual preparation, what is their liking. So they are going to share us, so that we will do. So
सर और जैसे कि आपने कहा कि ब्रेकफास्ट लंच डिनर, तो ब्रेकफास्ट में और कुछ स्पेशल कुछ रहेगा?
Ma'am, generally the breakfast is Western kind of food. As a player, they basically go for egg white and those kind of preparation, cheese and the salad. They also prefer, and then we also push for local dishes and all. So we have seen that they like everything. Generally, there is nothing. No. So whatever their preference, and then we'll incorporate our local dish and we will serve.
आप लोग पूरा प्रिपेयर?
हाँ, we are prepared and all. There is a lot of people team. So we have been doing this for this, even the World Cup village, for the hockey World Cup. So the sports people has a different requirement, lot of food, fruit and drinks, those kind of things. Tend to avoid sweet and sugary and those kind of things is there. So we are careful about that.
थैंक यू सर। जमती आपण शुणुले कि स्वतंत्र भाव जो ब्रेकफास्ट हो, लंच हो, डिनर हो, स्वतंत्र खाद्य रहा, मुख्यतः प्रति खाद्य रे खेलाड़ी मानकर स्वतंत्र डाएट तो रहिबो, ता सहित ओडिया क्विजिन बा ओडिया खाद्यर किछिटा झलक मध्य देखिबा को पाइबा, बा ओ खेलाड़ी माने ओडिया खाद्य खाइबार सुजोग मध्य पाइबे, सेति पई स्वतंत्र व्यवस्था करा जायछि। भुवनेश्वरु कैमरामैन प्रदोष को सह शुभलक्ष्मी बड़ा, कनक न्यूज।